As we move through the new normal, with our safety being our number one priority, seeking out alternative ways of meeting the obligations of our day-to-day lives becomes paramount. At the outset of the pandemic, we saw some supermarkets offering online shopping options and delivery services to try to decongest their establishments, all in efforts to lower the spread of the virus. Corporate organizations also had to strategize on how they could deliver their services to clients in a safer way, all while decongesting offices and encouraging their staff to work from home. Institutions such as commercial banks had to encourage customers to not visit branches unless it was absolutely necessary. A question then arises: how can customers enjoy everyday banking services such as sending money to loved ones or withdrawing cash without visiting a branch or an ATM? Our guests this evening are Thapelo Kamudi and Khosi Khautle, who are both business analysts in the commercial banking structure. Theirs is a task to speak on the available alternative channels in the commercial banking sector and how they stand to benefit customers. What alternative channels can banks offer their clients, especially now at a time when people are looking to be safer and save a bit of money?
We have some services that are available on Fnbb point of sale devices that is usually termed as a swipe machine. So these services include cash at till as well as e-wallet at till. Now, to start off with the cash at till service, this is for Fnbb card holders who have a debit card. So at any given point when you are in need to withdraw cash, you can simply walk into your nearest shop that is closer to you, which has an Fnbb POS, and then you will be able to make a purchase of goods that you want to purchase, and then be able to withdraw cash at the same time. Wherever you are, whether you are in Gaborone or you are in Bobono, Good Hope, Shakawe, you can walk into a store that is close to you, buy goods, and then at the till, ask the cashier to give you cash so that you withdraw from your account, hence the name cash at till. Now, with the e-wallet at till products, we have this product being available to anyone who has a cell phone and can be able to withdraw or rather have an e-wallet being sent to them. So what happens is that an Fnbb card holder will send you funds, and then you can still walk into a store which has Fnbb POS. And then you are able to do 3 types of transaction. The first one is you can purchase using those funds in your e-wallet, or you can just choose to withdraw. That is option number 2. You can choose to withdraw those funds, or you can even do both. Make the purchase and withdraw at the same time.
Perhaps we can now talk about how cost-effective these channels are, or these alternative channels are or can be for your clients.
Customers now don't have to travel long distances to access banking services. So they don't have to, pay for transport fees, to go to the nearest town to withdraw or deposit their cash. It saves them time. There's also a time factor to that. We had clients who sometimes had to take leave so they could travel from Dryhoek to Gantsi or Jwaneng just to deposit or withdraw cash. Now they can just get to their nearest store and do those transactions there. So it's more of cost for the customer, cost saving for the customer, and time saving for the customer, because now they don't have to come to Gantsi to queue for a long time. And
See, some of these alternative channels are prone to being targeted by criminals. Take, for example, the point-of-sale machine, which is prone to phishing. So how can customers rest assured that their hard-earned money is going to be safe when using these alternative channels?
First of all, we are always embarking on educational campaigns that target fraud incidents as well as the recent trends of fraud. And e-wallet at till as well as cash at till are not in any way not part of this package of education that we talk about. Yeah. And we have people who are criminals, in short, that are often targeting our clients. And the key component here is to know that we have security measures in place in the form of pins that are used. And these pins are preview to only the card holder as well as the recipient for e-wallet. Now, in instances where it does happen that somebody is trying to defraud you of your funds, it's always best for our clients to inquire about what is happening either through our contact center or to walk into the nearest branch so that they're able to get our staff or any Fnbb representative being able to help them with that query before they commit anything to anyone who is not themselves.